Hello everybody, welcome to data visualization with Python laboratory. So this is ability enhancement course. In this video we are going to see program 1B. Let us see the syllabus and proceed. So here is the syllabus. The lab program 1B says that develop a Python program to check whether a given number is palindrome or not, and also count the number of occurrence of each digit in the given input number. So what they are asking here is we have to check whether the number is palindrome or not. What do you mean by palindrome? It is the same backward as the forward. For example, now let us see the program. I'll start my Jupyter notebook. I'll create a new notebook. Okay. So here I want to check whether number is palindrome or not. For that I need one number. I'll take the number from the user. Then I'll call the function called palindrome and I'll pass the value n. So I'll write the function here. I'll define the function palindrome function. So there are multiple ways you can check. You can reverse the number and you can compare the original number with the reversed number, or you can use the slicing, which is in one line you can compare. One line you can reverse and you can compare with the original. I'll use slicing here. If you want, I'll show you that also by using a while loop. So the slicing will work only with the iteratable object, like say a string or list, a tuple. So I'll convert my integer into string here because I want to perform slicing. So string of n I converted into string. Then I'll reverse the number, say n of colon minus 1 will give you the reverse of a number, whatever you have taken. For example, if you have taken 1 2 3, suppose assume that you have taken the number 1 2 3 4. If you say colon minus 1, you will get 4 3 2 1. Okay, so that number, what I'll do is I'll compare with the original number. I'll use if n is equal to means what is there in n. In n I have the original number that I am comparing. Is n is equal to reverse of it. If so, I'll just print palindrome. Printer, the given number is palindrome, else the given number is not a palindrome. Simple 5-line program. Let us execute this. 1 2 3 4, the given number is not a palindrome. I have to change here, not a palindrome. Execute. 1 2 3 4, the given number is not a palindrome. Okay, now I'll check the palindrome number, like 1 2 2 1. The given number is palindrome. This is one part. Now one more is there in this. We have to find how many digits are there in this. Like say you should get the output 1 too many times, 2 times, like that you should get it. So I'll call one more function, say digit count. Digit count, I'll pass the same value, whatever number I have taken I'll pass to that. I'll write that number here. I'll define the function, digit function here, def digit count. Okay, so this is very simple if you use this set. So again, this is number, I'll convert that into string. I converted that into string. Now I will use a set of n. So it will eliminate the duplicates the unique numbers it will eliminate, I mean duplicate number it will eliminate, and you will have the unique numbers here. At that output of this, I'll store it in a say unique digit or unique digit, some variable name I'll take, and I'll store that. Now what I'll do is here, for example, assume that you have 1 2 2, say you have 1 2 3 4 5 and 4, say 4, like this you have 1 2 3 4 4. Now the output of this set is, you will get 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, because duplicate 4 it will eliminate. Now where it is there in a U digit, correct? No, U digit contain no 1 2 3 4, whereas N contain 1 2 3 4 4. Now I will use for loop here. I'll just check for element in, I'll take one element from U digit at a time, U digit, that is unique digit, and I'll check whether that element is there in, how many times it is there in N. That I'll print it, very simple. So print element, what first, for example, first 1 it will take, first LE in the U digit 1 it will take, element 1 I have taken. I'll use occurs. Formatting string, if you use, no need to use comma, but I am using without that. Next program I'll show you how to use that. Element occurs n dot, there is a count function, n dot count LE, whatever element is there, count how many time it is occur in this original string. Now 1 is occur 1, so this will return it will check element, what is the element is 1, it will check how many times element is there in n dot count. Only one time is there, it will return 1, so that we are printing here, comma times. Okay, one extra bracket, I'll remove it. I'll just run this program. Okay, one error is there, can't assign to little. So this is, I have shown it for example, I took that for example. I'll remove that. Okay. Now here it is asking me enter the number. I'll enter 1 2 3 4 4. Obviously it is not palindrome. See, the given number is not a palindrome. 4 occurs 2 times, correct? Now 4 occur 2 times, 1 occur 1 time, 2 occur 1 time, 3 occurs 1 time. Thank you.